Hi, in this lesson, we will see about what is report editor. So, if you want to download any kind of report, what you will do? You will go to the interface, right? And you download the report. Okay, you can download the report at the campaign level if you want, and if you want to download at the ad group level, you can download the report at the ad group level. Okay, and if you want to view the data at the ads level, you can do the analysis by downloading. And if you wanted to download data any of these levels like audiences, keywords, locations, content, ad scheduling, you can download and view the data, right? So while downloading, you can either keep all campaigns, okay, enabled and paused, and all. Let's understand what is the difference between all these. Okay, so you know, right, what is enabled? Enabled means our campaigns are currently live, so you will download only those campaigns that are currently live. Okay, and enabled and paused means you will be able to download both enabled data and paused data. Okay, we will not be able to download all. Okay, so in all, what will be present? So I'm going into the campaigns to show you. Okay, so here we have only enabled campaigns. Okay, and if you keep enabled and paused, right, we will be having some paused campaigns as well. Okay, so when you download, in the downloaded data, you will be having both enabled data, enabled campaigns data, and paused campaigns data. Okay, when you keep all, you can have some removed campaigns data as well. So please remember very carefully that you can enable and pause, okay, any campaign at any time, and you can change. Suppose if you want to enable any paused campaign, you can do it. If you want to pause any uh, present live campaign, you can do it. Okay, but if you remove any of the campaign, okay, you cannot undo it. Okay, you cannot again enable that campaign. Please remember it, right? So let's say if I wanted to enable this campaign, okay, so there is no option, you see, there is no such option. But for these campaigns there is option, right? So while doing these enable and pause, please be very careful. Okay, and while doing reporting, if you wanted to analyze any kind of reports, okay, always take all campaigns, right? Because for few of the removed campaigns also there will be having some data, right? We should not miss any kind of data while analyzing the reports, while analyzing the performance, right? So I hope you are understanding the difference between what is all, what is enabled and paused, and how to download them. Okay, so, and as I have told you, if you wanted to download this performance data at any of the levels, you go to the respective levels and you download the data, right? So what if you want some advanced data? What if you want from advanced columns? So you don't want this data, you want some other kinds of columns as per your requirement. Can you do it? Yes, we can do it. So in Google Ads, we have a small internal tool, that is report editor, where we will be having some customized reports. Okay, you can create your own customized reports, right? So here by default, Google provides us few templates. Okay, few reports. You see here, these are the few reports that Google provides by default, right? If you want, if you think these you can make use of these templates, you can obviously go into these templates and look into it. Okay, let's say if I wanted to view for this ads, okay, let's say for keywords, okay, I just click on it and you will be redirected to this report editor page. Okay, so here you can see the data for the keywords, and this is a default template, right? So we don't want it. Okay, so if you want, you can obviously go and explore these reports. Okay, but let's create a new one so that you will understand it clearly. In the one of the previous lessons, we have seen a glimpse of this report editor, but now let's go in detail. Okay, so here I have entered into this uh, report editor. For it, what you have to do, just click on this create report. Okay, and so here you see here, this is the rows and these are the columns, right? So let's say in the rows I wanted to keep campaign, let's, and I want this report to be by day. Okay, I will keep here. You see, you can customize as per your requirement. Okay, I'm keeping above in the first place, right? And I want impressions clicks and cost. So here we only have impressions, clicks and cost. We don't have any conversions because as I told you, this is just a demo account. Okay. So again, if you want, you can download as per your requirement. If you want, you can download only the enabled campaigns data, or if you want, you can download enabled and paused campaigns data, or if you wanted to include removed campaigns as well, then you can select this all campaigns. Okay. So if you have any priorities, like if you are, you see, if you want any campaigns that are using particular bid strategy, like you want to download only the campaigns that are using maximize conversion value, that you can do here. Okay. Or if you wanted to download only search campaigns, you select here. Or if you wanted to download only the performance max campaigns, you click on it and select those filters. Okay, just click on it. Right, like this you can do the uh, you can build these reports here. As we don't have any pmax campaigns, it is not showing. Okay, here we have only search campaigns. Till now we have only created search campaign. So here we are seeing the data only for the search campaigns. Okay, so here we have data, we have date range. Here you can customize the date range. So as we have this is a small account, I am taking the all time, like this. Okay, and here you have further filters. You can further filter these report. Okay, based on the ad type, all these we have different options here. Okay, based on your requirement, obviously you can go ahead and choose your filter option. Okay, and you can also filter them from here. Suppose I have kept these columns, right, day and campaign, and I wanted impressions, clicks, cost. I don't want these rows, I don't want those days which are having zero impressions. What I can do, I can simply go here and keep a filter here, filter impressions greater than 0. Okay, and apply. So now what happens, only those days that are having impressions will be downloaded now. Okay, you see here, now we have only 22 rows. Earlier we have more than 150 rows, right? So I hope you are getting this report editor. This is very useful editor, you know. This is very useful because whenever you wanted to download any kind of report, you see any kind of report, okay, whatever you are seeing in the interface, even that kind of reports also you can build here and you can download them. Okay, so here in the all columns, you see we have all the required columns, and based on your requirement, obviously you can go ahead and choose them. So if you are tracking any conversions, so you see here we will be having conversions, conversion value, all those things. Okay, so as here there is no any conversions data, I am not selecting those columns, right? So if you want to save this report, so whenever you wanted to visit this report, you wanted to save it. Okay, so let's say next week also you are working similar kind of task and you want this report. So you cannot again create it, right? You can create it, but it will take time, no? So while creating only, you can save this report. Okay, after creating, after adding these columns and after adding all these rows, you can save the report, right? You give the name here. Let's say, let's give it as daily pacing, daily report view. Okay, report view, daily report, just keep it as daily report and apply, and you can save it. You see here, save. What is the name? Let's keep it as daily, daily report. What is today's date? Let's keep today's date. Okay, 2/7/2024, like this. Like this you can save the reports, and whenever you want, you can download them. You can also select the campaigns here. You see at the top we have campaigns. You see here we can also select the campaigns here. So based on your requirement, you can choose your options, and after you build this uh, report, you can download here. Whatever the format you want, you can download. Okay, so I'm closing this one, leave. Okay, in the saved reports we can view that report that we have saved if you want. So here it has got saved here, but let's do. Okay, I'm refreshing it once again. Let's see whether it will come or not. So it didn't come, but you know, right, how to create these reports and how to save these reports. Okay, let's add it to save. Okay, I want it to show there. Don't want here all campaigns. I want all campaigns, right? So it is campaign by day, right? It is by day. Impressions, clicks, cost, right? And I want clicks greater than 0. Let's say clicks greater than 0. Okay, now I wanted to save this one. What I can do, I click on it. So you don't want it here. So save as. Just click on save as and give it a name as daily report. Okay, clicks greater than 0 and save. Okay, now report has saved. Now let's see whether it is saved or not. Go to saved reports. Okay, so it has to come actually. All right, let's refresh it once again. Right, now click on it. You see here, now it has come. Daily report, clicks greater than 0. So whenever you visit or whenever you are doing similar kind of task, you save this report when you are doing it the first time, and the next time onwards you just click on this report, okay, and go to downloads, and you can download in either Excel format or Google Sheets as per your requirement. Okay, so I hope you are understanding this Google Ads report editor. We will meet in the next one.